Good morning, guys. So if you're seeing this video right now, we are on our way to the hospital for my repeat scheduled C-section. And yeah, it's today at 7:30 a.m. and today's date is November 18th. So yeah, so if you guys are seeing this video, we are on our way to the hospital to go welcome our baby girl into this world. So I will let you guys know if it's a boy or a girl. So anyways, let's hope for everybody's sake it's a girl. I will update you guys later, and thank you guys so much for all your prayers and thoughts and concerns. And the next time you see us, it'll be our delivery vlog, I think. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.